Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Thursday, December 10th, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we will say the Orchard Hollow Best Pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow. Happy birthday today to our friend Johanna Evans. We hope you make it a great day. And now for our joke of the day. What kind of music do elves like? Rap music, of course. Look who we found showing their holiday spirit. It's Mrs. Mitsko's doggy Hal. And baby, it's cold outside, but Mrs. Glaven's class was full of their holiday cheer in their winter gear. We hope that you'll join us in spreading some holiday cheer by taking part in one or all of the Orchard Hollow theme days before break. Today, Thursday, is Deck the Halls. Bring out your favorite holiday accessories. Think jewelry, necklaces, or garland. And tomorrow on Friday is Polar Express Day. Wear your school appropriate pajamas. A reminder that we are on our fully remote schedule today. We start promptly at 8:45 with morning meeting, and our instructional day will end at 2 p.m. Make it a great day, Huskies.